I get asked quite a bit when I'm talking about brick freeze replacement and brick mold. I get asked quite a bit, why do I change brick freeze out and brick mold out on every door? When the builders come in and they build these doors, they use regular pine. That's non-treated. See, it's that even still there. That's non-treated pine, and that's on the outside of your door. If you get a standard where the water sets or gets heavy rain, that kind of thing, this is what happens. Pine rots when it's on the outside of your house. Obviously, they have massive water damage, to where it needs to be replaced. So we're coming back with a vinyl door, sliding door. With that being pine, and even here, even the brick mold is pine. So, and it rots down at the bottom. So what we're gonna go back with is a, like I said, I was telling you guys before, we're going back with a full vinyl sliding patio door. This is made by Provia. This is the Endura line. It's the Prairie grid system in it. But the trim that I'm replacing it with is PVC, and it is literally PVC. It's PVC brick mold. This is the brick mold. It's just like running pipe out there. That's not going to rot. And then we're also doing PVC 1x4s. So instead of running interior pine, number 2 pine, we're running PVC in there. So it's not going to leak. It's not going to rot. It's going to outlive the homeowner in this house. And that's why I do it. So every time we come out and I advise the homeowner to replace the brick mold, replace the brick freeze, that's why I do it. I don't know why builders use non-treated lumber to save a buck. Because if you got water damage coming to your house, it's going to happen. And like I said, unfortunately, it's every neighborhood that's going to have, going to be that way. I've not found one yet where I've walked into a neighborhood and they've had treated lumber on there beforehand. Same thing, like I said, you see here, there's no gutters, none of that. It's kind of an enclosed, tight spot. And even on this neighbor's door, they need a new door where it's soft here. It's been patched before with wood putty, and then the cancer is set into the threshold, to the door itself. So I haven't talked to them yet. I haven't talked to that homeowner yet. Like I said, this is next door to the house I'm doing. It's not even, like I said, they don't even know about me yet. They're about to. Just for that reason, because it's been patched before. Whoever's come back in with wood putty and patched it, trying to put a band-aid on a situation that cancer just needs to be cut out and removed and brought back in new. I was on a house yesterday, same thing. The garage opening, the framing for the garage, this ain't the house, but the framing for the garage, the 2x was all pine. They even had MDF behind it as a nailer for the 2x8. So definitely reach out to us. We'll come take care of you and get you done correctly. Y'all have a good day.